Nguzo Babies.
Hi, friend. It's Miss Ashley.
And I'm Quasi.
Quasi and I were just looking at some letter sounds. Would you like to play with us?
Yeah!
Okay. This first letter is called A. A. Quasi, what sound can the A make? That's right. A can make the sound ah. Can you try it? Ah. Ah. Here's another letter. Quasi, do you know what letter that is?
That's the letter T.
Yes. T makes the sound t. T. Can you try it? T. Now, let's see what happens when we put the ah sound with the t sound. At. At.
We put the letters together like a sandwich.
That's right. We did put it together like a sandwich.
Did someone say sandwich?
I was talking about the letters.
Oh. Well then, why'd you say sandwiches?
Well, sandwich, we were actually using letters. We weren't really talking about sandwiches. We were putting together the ah sound with the t sound to make the sound
At.
You know how to play. Should we see what other words we can add to it?
Yeah.
What letter is this?
C.
This letter is the letter C. C can make the k sound. Now, what happens when we add it to the beginning of the at sound? Like a
Sandwich. Cat.
yes. Cat. Cat.
Cat. This is lots of fun.
It is a fun game. Should we try another letter?
Yeah.
This letter is the letter H. H makes the sound. Can you try it?
Now we add H to the beginning of the at sound like a sandwich.
That's my line.
Okay, let's add in front of the at sound. Hat. Hat.
Hat.
Let's try one more. This is the letter B. B makes the
B sound.
yes. Boo. Boo. Can you try it? Boo. Now,
Time for a yummy at sandwich.
boo. At. Bat.
Bat. Bat.
Great job, friends.
Wow, that was a lot of hard work. I think I'm a little hungry for a sandwich.
We'll see you next time. Hi, friend. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For more learning fun, visit nguzobabies.com for our learning packs and puppets. See you there.
I love Nguzo Babies. Nguzo Babies.